Hi, I'm Harris Waddles with Amba Products, and today we're taking a closer look at the Antus collection of heated towel racks. Imagine stepping into your bathroom and reaching for a towel that's been gently warmed, or pulling on a jacket that feels just right on a chilly morning. Handcrafted in northern Italy, just a short distance from Venice, the Antus collection blends timeless craftsmanship with modern elegance. It's available in two sizes to suit both cozy and spacious baths, and comes in polished and brushed stainless steel finishes. For projects that require a custom touch, special order sizes and custom finishes are also available. Every rack in the Antus collection is hardwired and pairs seamlessly with our touch digital heat controller, either standard or remotely wired, with 5 heat settings and a quick warm-up in about 10 to 15 minutes. Though designed for bathrooms, the versatility of the Antus collection extends to mudrooms, laundry areas, wet rooms, and basements. These racks gently warm and dry towels, swimsuits, coats, and gloves, reducing moisture and helping prevent mold and musty odors. With its refined style, rapid heat-up, and user-friendly controls, the Antus collection brings both comfort and hygiene to everyday routines. For more information, visit ambaproducts.com.